Friends, let's start our class. What is democracy and why democracy? In the last class, we have seen with a case study of Pakistan and China. In today's class, we are going to see Mexico. Since its independence in 1930, Mexico hold election after every 6 years to elect its president. So, since independence in 1930, Mexico hold its election after every 6 years to elect its president. Yes, the country has never been under military rule or dictator rule. So the country has never been under the control of both military as well as dictator rule. But until 2000, all the election was won by a party called PRI. But until 2000, the election was won by a party called as a PRI, Institutional Revolutionary Party. Yes, so in this, the election was won by only one party. That's what I've just told you. We'll be calling it as a PRI. PRI is the Institutional Revolutionary Party. The opposition party did contest election but never win the election. The opposite party will stand in the election but they never win it in the election. The PRI use many dirty tricks to win in the election. How the PRI will win it in the election? They will win in the election by using some dirty tricks to win in the election. All those who were employed in government offices had to attend its party meeting. The people, those who are employing in the government office, they have to attend the party meeting. Even teachers of government school forced parents to vote PRI. Even the teachers those who are working in the government school, they will force the parents to vote for PRI. Media ignored the activity of opposition party except to criticize them. Even media, they have ignored what the opposite party they are doing in it except to criticize them. Sometimes the polling booths were shifted from one place to another place in the last minutes, which made difficult to the people cast their votes. So in sometimes what will happen? In sometimes the polling booths will shift from one place to another. If they're doing it so like this, what will happen? The people will feel difficult to cast their votes. So the PRI spent a large sum of money in the campaign for its candidate. So the PRI will be spending more money in the campaigns for its candidate. So check these incidents along with the features of democracy and find out which aspect is violated. So by checking these features, I've told you the features of democracy. The features of democracy I've just told you. Free and fair elections. Yes? And free and fair elections with those currently in power have a fair chance of losing in it. So when we check with the features of democracy, they were violated the free and fair election. So that aspect was violated in Mexico. Yes? Now, Saudi Arabia, Estonia, Fiji. Saudi Arabia, women do not have the right to vote. So in Saudi Arabia, women do not have right to vote. Estonia made its citizenship rules in such a way that people belonging to Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. So how the Estonia made its citizenship rules in that? The people in the Russian minority find it's difficult to vote. Yes, because what happened? The Russian minority people, they have not given preference to the Russian minority people. In Fiji, the electoral system such that the vote of an indigenous Fiji has more value than that of Indian Fijians. So what happened? In Fiji, they have given preference for the indigenous Fijians, more value for the indigenous Fijians, but less value for the Indian Fijian. Yes, by checking with all these incidents, so which features we can connect with this, which features of democracy find out which were violated, we can tell it by looking at this. Yes, I've told you in a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote. I'll repeat again. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote. Each vote must have one value. Yes, that one is violated in these countries. Yes, that's what I just told you. We can connect which violated. We can connect with a feature. We can connect with each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. That is violated in this country. So these are the case studies of both the country. In today's class we saw what are those two, Mexico, and second one is Saudi Arabia, Estonia and Fiji. The first one we can connect with free and fair election that was violated in Mexico. Second one we can connect with each adult citizen must have vote and each vote must have one value. That one is violated in Saudi Arabia, Estonia and Fiji. Yes, that's it students. Today's class we have completed.